Hi guys, so a few days ago James did a video following a tutorial from Bob Ross, and before that Nikki did that too, so I was like, how can I not do that too? So here we are. Today I'm gonna follow a Bob Ross tutorial on my face. Let's see where this journey takes us. So I went into Bob Ross's channel and randomly chose one tutorial because I wanted this to be like an actual challenge. So let's see what we have, I guess. So I spent around 3 hours creating this look. Bob used something called gesso, and I was like, it looks like normal paint. So I kept doing it, not knowing this gesso thing was actually important and the whole painting was about that. So that failed. So here we go with the second attempt. Water activating paint goes away with water. This one, it doesn't go away, so hopefully this turns out really good, or I might have just wasted my time. He makes it look so easy, but it's not, trust me. What? How does he even do that? Okay. Okay, I guess this is the semi-finish painting. I'm gonna go do my foundation and I'll be back. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I guess goodbye till the next video. Bye.